There are two ways to define alignments for your project. Either you can use Civil 3D or you can use ASE. We'll only go through the ASE Civil definition process in this demonstration. Now, you can create alignments by dedicating a drawing to do the alignment definition, or you can use an existing drawing that has the required geometry. So our choices here are, we could go into our site layout and use the centerline geometry here, which is perfectly fine, or we could create an alignment drawing. Whichever one you decide to go with, remember that the drawing that's used will be your alignment control drawing. For an ASE project, alignments can only be defined from one drawing. That can be changed or adjusted to another drawing, but there's a process for that. So as an alternative to using your site layout, you could also use an empty drawing and just import your base map control, which has already been defined. So I can bring in the entire base map control, or I could just bring in the center line if I wanted, and we'll do our alignment definition using that. So the first step would be to go into the Aligns pull down, and first we'll set our preferences. Well, before we even begin that, we've got to set our base map control, or I'm sorry, our ASE data folder, and we've got it to our current sample project here. So now under Aligns, let's set our general preferences. You also want to check your control layers. That's required. You have to tell the program which layer you're going to use for your centerline definitions. You can use more than one layer if you have, multiple to choose from. So just pick the layer and put it over on the other side, and it's you're done. So we'll click OK. And now you're ready to actually define the alignment. So you can just go Definition and click Automatic. And you've got 4 alignments defined using the intersecting alignment protocol. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks good to me. And we're done. We can zoom up and look at that if we like. There's one of our alignments. You could also set an alignment current by picking a point close to it. If you go to Alignments, Set Current, and pick a point, it'll align the alignment with your current view, so they're parallel. If you wanted to see the actual definition entities, you could go to Entities and import all if you like, and let's untwist our view. And there you can see our alignment definitions include tangent extensions.